Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe Tax with QuickBooks for cross-state filings, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the tax section of your Stripe dashboard. Choose the option to enable Stripe Tax if it's not already activated. Once activated, configure your tax settings according to your business needs. Go to your QuickBooks account and sign in. In QuickBooks, access the Apps section from the left sidebar. Search for the Stripe app in the QuickBooks App Store. Select the Stripe app and click on the Install button. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account to QuickBooks. During the setup, ensure you grant the necessary permissions for data syncing. Once the connection is established, navigate to the Stripe Tax settings in your Stripe account. Review the tax codes you will use for cross-state transactions. Ensure that the tax rates are correctly set for the states where you operate. In QuickBooks, go to the Sales Tax settings under the Taxes menu. Add the corresponding sales tax rates for each state as needed. Sync your Stripe transactions with QuickBooks by navigating to the Sync feature. Choose the transactions you wish to send to QuickBooks. Verify that the information being synced matches your expectations. Click the Confirm button to finalize the synchronization process. Check QuickBooks to confirm that the transactions and tax details have been accurately imported. Run a report in QuickBooks to review your tax obligations by state. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure compliance with local tax laws. Regularly revisit both your Stripe Tax and QuickBooks settings to keep them updated with any changes in tax regulations. Continue to monitor your transactions to ensure accurate reporting for cross-state filings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.